Suicide is a massive societal issue for us. It's one of our greatest challenges from a public health and society perspective, and it's an issue that we see as a significant one across our region. We're here to find out more about new ideas and discover what other initiatives we can support and potentially scale when it comes to suicide prevention.
We're here tonight to look at 4 local suicide prevention programs covering our regions across Hunter, New England, Central Coast and the Manning Mid-Coast. Each of them are pitching to audiences of 300 across Belmont and Tamworth, and we're really looking to raise vital funds for each of their programs to really emphasise the work that they're doing out in community and really showcase the importance of suicide prevention and that early intervention step.
We've got data that tells us which community groups are really struggling with this as an issue. So we do have some dedicated funds from the Commonwealth to direct towards suicide prevention, and this is just a different way for us to allocate those funds to the community, to grassroots programs that the community are engaged in and that we know will make a real difference.
To a large extent, we're putting the funds in the hands of the community, and we're bringing the community together with a range of service providers, and they're deciding where our funding goes. And what a fantastic thing that is.
The PHN is providing each of the 300 audience members $1,500, and they're able to invest that in one or all 4 of the programs they're hearing from on the night. That's something that the PHN's really proud to do, and it's really injecting our money back into the community and for community.
It gives the opportunity for an idea or a concept or a program to really jump off the page and to be communicated in a way that we don't necessarily see with a written submission. So it allows people to come and bring their energy and show some really demonstrable outcomes.
So tonight we hope to get funding where we're able to embed our program, which is a holistic evidence-based mentoring program for boys, and embed ourselves fully in the community of Cessnock. So the funding that we receive tonight means that we'll be able to make sure no young man goes without the tools to live a happy and safe life.
We need to do things differently and to gain some support in working in an innovative way to change lives. So the program is about developing a Warramai cultural app, Yunga Girungu, which means walking towards life. It's about providing support and guidance and culture and safety to the person who wants to use the app.
The system is broken, but there's a real opportunity here to reach the young people that are hard to reach, and that's through young people who have lived experiences of childhood trauma and mental health. This project will enable us to add a lived experience peer worker to support the social worker to engage young people that are difficult to engage.
We're bringing, a pretty alternative approach to mental health solutions. It's almost like a theatre show, but that integrates short films, spoken word poetry, and this kind of powerful soundscape to help move audiences into a sense of feeling connected and reflecting on the resilience that humans have.
It's fantastic to have a range of service providers and community members here in the room. And what that brings for us is a room full of people who can help us decide where funding needs to go, but also can come up with new ideas and a whole range of people that we can connect with in different ways.
It's great that community members are here, are able to see it and be able to hear what's happening, and to be able to, as a community member, say, yeah, that's where I want to put money and that's where I want to invest. So that's really, I think, really exciting.
We had some wonderful time networking beforehand, and then we went into this wonderful night where we heard some wonderful organisations presenting amazing things that they're doing. All gave really sustainable, life-changing solutions to the problems that come into our communities.
It made me feel really hopeful about the things that are actually happening out in the community, being the ones who are able to decide where that money goes. I think this is the way that it should be done.
You actually feel like you're contributing and supporting the programs that were presented. So you feel really connected, engaged, you feel like you're a part of it.
It's really empowering for us as individuals or organisations to be able to give funding. We're on the ground every day seeing what the money could impact and change.
I think getting everybody together is such an integral part. It's really important to hear different perspectives. It is such a horrible thing that's so present in our community, and I think it's something that if we all work together, it is something that we can prevent.
Whilst this is a dark subject, there is hope. There are people doing great work to keep people alive and to keep them supported. There are things we can do, and we want to just continue to support our community to do that.